Good morning, everyone. Today is shopping day.
Shopping? Yay!
Saturday morning shopping, my favorite.
I'm making a list. We need many things.
Do we all have to go?
Yes, Tyler. The whole family.
But I wanted to play basketball.
Hey, buddy, we can play later. I promise.
Fine, but can we be fast?
We will try. Now, let me think. We need milk.
And juice. Orange juice.
Yes, milk and orange juice. Good.
We need eggs, too.
Right. Eggs and bread.
What about apples? I love apples.
Apples. Yes. I'll write that down.
Can we get chips?
Maybe. Let's see.
Maybe means no.
Now here's the thing. Maybe means maybe.
We also need chicken for dinner.
Ooh, I can make my special chicken.
Dad's chicken is so yummy.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good? It's amazing.
Okay, the list is ready. Let's go.
Everyone, get in the car.
I call the window seat.
You always get the window seat.
Because I'm smaller. Right, Mom?
You can both have window seats. There are two sides.
Oh, right.
Seat belts, everyone.
Click.
Done.
Okay, David, let's go.
Here we go, to the grocery store.
How far is the store?
About 10 minutes, sweetie.
That's not far.
Let me tell you something. The best store trips start with music.
Oh no, Dad, please don't.
We will shop for food.
That's funny, Dad.
That's not how the song goes.
I made it better.
David, please watch the road.
I can sing and drive. I'm talented.
Just drive, honey.
We're here.
The store is so big.
It's the same store, Lily. We always come here.
But it looks big today.
Okay, let me get a cart.
I'll get it. Here we go.
Can I sit in the cart?
You're a big girl now, Lily. You can walk.
Okay, but can I hold the list?
Sure, sweetie. Here you go.
I'm the list helper.
Can I push the cart?
Sure, buddy. But be careful.
I know. I'm not 5.
Fair point. Let's go in.
First, let's get fruit.
Look at all the colors. So pretty.
Lily, we need apples. Can you find them?
There, red ones. I see them.
Good job. How many do we need?
5? No, 6.
6? Why 6?
1 for each of us, and 1 for Biscuit.
There are 4 of us, Lily.
Actually, dogs can eat a little apple.
David?
What? It's true.
Fine. Let's get 6 apples.
Yay!
Can we get bananas too?
Bananas? Not on the list. But okay.
Nice.
Bananas are great. You know why?
Don't say it, Dad.
Because they have a peel. Get it?
Dad, please stop.
I don't get it.
Nobody gets it, sweetie. Let's get some oranges, too.
How many oranges?
4 is enough.
Can I pick them? Can I?
Yes. Choose 4 nice ones.
This one, this one, this one, and this one.
Perfect. Let's move on. Now, vegetables.
Vegetables.
Tyler, vegetables are important.
I know, but they're boring.
Hey, buddy. Vegetables make you strong.
I'm already strong.
Stronger then.
What do we need, Mom?
We need carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce.
I like carrots. They're orange, like a sunset.
That's very nice, Lily.
Tyler, can you find the tomatoes?
Those red ones there?
Yes. Get 4, please.
Okay, here, 4 tomatoes.
Thank you.
What's that green thing?
That's lettuce, sweetie, for salad.
Oh, like the salad you make?
Yes, exactly.
Sarah makes the best salad.
Thank you, David. Do we need anything else here?
How about some onions?
Good idea. 2 onions, please.
Got 'em.
Onions make me cry.
Me too, Lily. Me too.
Next, bread.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Fresh bread is the best.
Which one should we get?
The white one.
No, the one with seeds.
Seeds? That's weird.
How about both? 1 white, 1 with seeds.
Great idea. Everyone is happy.
Yay! I love the seed bread.
Whatever. I'll eat the white wine.
Now, here's the thing. Good bread makes good sandwiches.
True.
David, put them in the cart, please.
Done. What's next on the list?
It says milk.
Right. Let's go to the dairy section. We need milk, the big one.
Whole milk or low fat?
Whole milk. For the kids.
Can we get chocolate milk too?
Yes, chocolate milk. Please, Mom.
Okay. 1 small chocolate milk.
Yes!
Yes.
And eggs. We need eggs.
Right. 12 eggs.
12? That's a lot.
We eat eggs every morning.
I like scrambled eggs.
I like sunny side up.
Let me check these eggs. Good. None are broken.
Should we get cheese too?
Oh, yes. I forgot cheese. Thank you, David.
I want the yellow cheese.
It's all yellow, Lily.
The really yellow one.
Okay. The really yellow one. Here it is.
The cart is getting full.
Good. That means we're almost done.
Now, chicken. For dinner tonight.
Let me pick the chicken. I'm the chef tonight.
Chef Dad.
That's right, Chef Dad.
What will you make, Daddy?
My special chicken with lemon and herbs.
Herbs from my garden.
The best herbs in town.
Thank you, honey.
This one looks good. Nice and fresh.
How much is it?
$8.
That's fine. Put it in the cart.
Are we almost done?
Almost, Tyler. A few more things.
Okay. Wait, is that the snack aisle?
Snacks. Can we go there?
We don't need snacks today.
But Mom,
Please, Mom. Just to look?
Come on, Sarah. Just a look.
Fine. Just to look.
yes, let's go.
Look at all the candy.
I want those chips, the big bag.
Tyler, we have chips at home.
But those are better.
Now, here's the thing. We can get one small snack for the family.
David,
One small thing. That's fair, right?
Popcorn. Movie popcorn.
Yes, we can watch a movie tonight.
okay. 1 bag of popcorn. That's all.
Deal.
See? Shopping is fun.
A little bit. Maybe.
Oh, look at that chocolate. The one with the bear. So cute. Mom won't see. It's small. Just one in the cart, under the bread. Done.
Lily, come on. Mom is waiting.
Coming.
We also need water.
The big pack?
Yes, the big one. 12 bottles.
I'll carry it. Ugh, it's heavy.
Do you need help, Dad?
Really? Thanks, buddy.
No problem.
Tyler is so strong.
Thanks, Lily.
And one more thing. Orange juice.
That's on the list. I remember.
Good memory, Lily.
Okay, I think we have everything.
Let me check the list one more time. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken.
Apples, bananas, oranges,
Carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, onions.
cheese, water, orange juice.
And popcorn. Yes, that's everything.
Finally. Let's go pay.
Let's use this line. It's short.
Good eye, Sarah.
Tyler, can you help put things on the belt?
Sure.
I can help too.
Okay, but be careful with the eggs.
I'll be very careful. See? So gentle.
Good job, both of you.
Apples, bananas, oranges, tomatoes.
Carrots, lettuce, onions.
bread, eggs, milk, cheese, chicken.
Water, juice, popcorn, and wait, what is this?
Why? What's that? Can I see? Really?
A chocolate bar? Lily?
But what's that?
Well, well, well.
Busted.
Lily, did you put this in the cart?
Maybe.
Sweetie, you can't take things without asking.
I'm sorry, Mom, but it has a cute bear.
It is a cute bear.
David?
Sorry. Sorry.
Lily, what should you do next time?
I should ask first?
That's right. You always ask first.
I'm sorry. Can we put it back?
Well, you were very good today. You helped a lot.
Really?
You can have it. But next time, you ask me. Okay?
Thank you, Mom. I promise. I'll always ask.
Can I get something too then?
You already got popcorn, Tyler.
It was worth a try.
That's everything. Thank you.
Great teamwork, everyone.
That was not so bad.
See? I told you. Shopping is fun.
I said not so bad, not fun.
Close enough.
Thank you for helping, kids.
I love shopping with everyone.
The popcorn part was good.
And the chocolate part.
You're lucky. You know that.
I know.
All the bags are in. Let's go home.
Good. I'm a little tired.
Tired? From shopping? That's the fun part.
Just drive, David.
So, what movie tonight?
Something with action.
Something with animals?
Yeah. Cool. No way. For real? Whatever.
Animals.
Yeah, cool. No way. For real? Whatever.
Animals.
How about both? An action movie with animals?
Is there one like that?
Maybe. We can look.
We'll find one. With popcorn.
And my chocolate.
Yes. And your chocolate.
Let me tell you something. This was a good morning.
It really was.
Yeah, it was okay.
It was the best morning.
I love this family.
We love you too, David.
Group hug leader.
Yeah, maybe later.
Home sweet home. Almost there.
I can't wait to cook tonight.
I'm cooking tonight. Remember?
Oh, right. Chef Dad.
That's me.
Best day ever.
It was just shopping, Lily.
Best shopping ever.
Let's do this again next week.
Okay. Maybe.
Yes, every week.
Every week. The Williams Family Grocery Team.
Dad, that's not a thing.
It is now, buddy. It is now.